how to print Waybill Shopee using the printer. Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to print Waybill Shopee using the printer. First of all, what you need to do is open up the Shopee application on your mobile phone. So once you open the Shopee app on your phone, go to your profile and here you will see an option that says My Sales. Tap on My Sales. Then you need to tap on the arrange shipment of any product. Now confirm that and then it will give you a code. And now tap on the option Print Waybill. You have to wait a moment and a print of the Waybill will be in your hands. So that is exactly how to print Waybill Shopee using the printer. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.